In the bed of a dried-up river, a tiny mango seed came flying in on the wind and fell to the ground. A parrot started filling a small pot every day with the little water remaining in the middle of the river and pouring it onto that spot. Slowly, the seeds sprouted, and over the years, a strong mango tree grew in that very place. Many colorful birds returned there, and the parrot would sit beside it every day and rest. But one day, lightning struck and brought the tree crashing down. When the parrot saw the broken tree, it became very sad. After some time, a new mango sapling sprouted right there in the same spot. The parrot began to cry out of sheer happiness. The parrot is still crying because you all haven't liked and subscribed yet.